Hey everybody, it's Amber from Micro Artistry. Just coming at you today to talk about some tips and tricks for using Mayamy. So the manufacturer will tell you that Mayamy products can do up to 50 brow laminations. And we have been hearing from some of our clients and customers that people are only getting 7 or 8 laminations. So personally, when I use Mayamy product, I can get about 20. There's got to be some sort of middle ground here. Unless you're going very, very tiny with the amount that you're using, or you're way overusing the product, you can probably get about 20 laminations in this from this 8 milliliter vial. So some tips and tricks about how to do that. So what I do personally is, of course, we don't want to double dip into this product. If I handle any of these products, I'm going to be using gloves, of course. And so what we have with this product is it is a glass bottle. So it's not airless. Our products are airless and they come in a pump form, but they're also not this thick. So this is the one that I'm currently using in my studio, and you can see that even though it's, let me see if I can show you guys. Even though it's been used, like, it does not move in the, it doesn't move. It's really thick. So even if I try to dump it, it's not gonna work. So what I do personally to get the product out of the container is to open this container and then use a disposable wax stick to dip into the container, just get out a tiny bit of product. I'm gonna show you guys how much product I use for one eyebrow. So like this much. You don't want, whoops, there we go. You do not want to use a ton of product per eyebrow. You just need like this much for one eyebrow, okay? And depending on how thick the brows are, if you're covering it with plastic wrap, it's gonna sit on the brow. You don't wanna get it all over the skin, you just wanna get it on the brow, okay? So I use that much product per brow and cover with plastic wrap. You know, you're gonna comb through. But the other thing that I do, and I wanted to kind of show you guys, is I use our new set of silicone brow brushes. So we've got the S for silicone, 01, 02, and 03, all right? So when you have the product on the brow, you can push it into the brow without having any get absorbed into a brush or into a lip brush, like whatever people are using to do their laminations. It's a waste of product if you're not using something silicone. So we've got the silicone S01, and then we have S02, which also can be used for tint, okay? So if you guys are using like a Bronson tint, you can, you know, get your crisp line of tint with this one, or you can also comb through the hairs, and same with number 3 to straighten out the hairs really soft, okay? So these are awesome. These are gonna save you guys a lot of product if you are only getting a certain amount of laminations out of any of the brow lamination products that you use. Silicone brushes are kind of the way to go, so that way it doesn't absorb a lot of your product, okay? So I just wanted to kind of come in, give you that tip. You don't need a lot of product to get the job done. If you do need more product, of course, use a fresh wax stick to dip. You don't want to cross-contaminate any of your jars, and then you just use a tiny bit more product on the brow if it feels like it's absorbed too much, okay? So try and get the most for your money. Get the most out of your products that you can, all right? So let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks.